1, 2, 3, come on! I want you to stop on what you're doing right now and watch this video until to the end, because if you're searching for something online for you to make money online and you haven't searched and got it, now today I want to show you my strategy free. Oh yeah, it's only 3 things that I want you to have today. 1, I need you to have a mobile phone that's connected to internet. At the same time, I need you to have a good connection to internet connection, and then have your 5 minutes every day, and you'll be good to go. Now you'll have to do this every day. It's just a matter of copying and pasting. Now, like this man here, on this campaign, he has to earn $224 every day by just simply copying and pasting. $300, and you can repeat this every now and then until you make, and it's completely free of. Watch all the videos on this channel to the end. Implement my strategy step by step. You can earn $20, $30, $50 to $300 every day with bonus tips, work from home apps, sites and tricks free. Don't miss, so subscribe now. Now I want you to look at this website, brand new website here. You can make thousands, hundreds of dollars every day. It's as simple as I am about to show you now. Now I want you to come to this website called kickbooster.me. kickbooster.me. Now on this web page, I want you to go to this click here where they have written affiliate marketers. Now when you click on there, it will take you to this page where I wanted to show you the 3 steps quick on how to register yourself. Real quick, let's go to step number 1, where you need to sign up yourself. And whenever you sign up, it's very quickly and it's free of charge on worldwide. Now step number 2, you have to select on the campaigns, where you select the campaigns. As you can see here, there are several campaigns where you choose yourself, and I'll show you the strategy on how to use these campaigns to make more money. At the same time, you have to create your unique booster link, whereby you'll share on your social media and start making money. So basically that's how you start on how affiliate marketing Kick Booster, and I'll show you every step until to the end. Now I want you to click on become a booster. Now once you click on that link, or you'll come to this homepage where you need to sign up. You'll sign up, we put your name there, of course, as usual, and then your email address, and then you have to check on your referral code if in case you have been referred by anyone. But for this case, we are not referred by anyone. We shall leave that one blank. At the same time, when you come down here, you need to choose your password, a stronger password, and then you confirm. Then you have to confirm here on you have understood the terms and communication, and then it will take you to our dashboard here. As you can see, this is our new brand sign up and our page and our dashboard, and this is our email that we have used to register ourselves. As you can see, there's no amount, and this one shows you how much you have earned as you continue to work online. Now I want you to click on this place here called marketplace. Now when you go to the marketplace, it will take you to another new page where you'll find different types of products where you need to promote online, and I'll show you step by step on each and everything, and on how to maximize and get more products to share online. So stay tuned as I share to you more bonus tips coming up right now. Our first tip I want to share with you is, whenever you come to our dashboard on marketplace, as you can see here, there are several market products you need to share. Now I want you to come down here on the click on the categories. Now whenever you click on the categories, you don't have to check on everything. I'll share with you the strategy on how to maximize your money so that it will save you more time. Click on the health, and the same time design and technology, because when you click on all of them, you'll find that you'll get more products which have less amount and commission. Now automatically the site itself will share very heavy. Now I want to share with you now the next bonus. Again, whenever you come down here on our latest picks, you have to come down here on high commission to low. Whenever you click there, it will bring the highest commission products where you need to share and earn more commissions online. Now let me show you now the next example. Let me show you how to choose a good campaign and how to share it online. As you can see here today, I have chosen here this campaign whereby if you want to now to start sharing and getting commission, you click on the campaign itself, and then as you can see here we have a lot of information on the campaign itself. It's a new technology of headphones. As you can see here we have it's $369 generated, and a lot of people have bought this item, of which there are several money that commissions that people have got. Now as you can see here, now down there you can see a lot of information shared. Now you can sell these on the first now package to $500 and even to $798 and or more. It depends with the category, and also it has $900 to until $2,000 each when one person just clicks on your link on that one you have shared, and then you get commission. $2,245. 10% is $224 that you can get on only one campaign whenever you share it online. Now as you can see here, if you want to get now to boost, you click on the boost this campaign, and then it will take you to another dashboard whereby you'll get your information here again with the 10% commission. At the same time, you can click on this and then you get the reward for referring your friends. At the same time, you can get 10 commission to any referred person to that campaign. As you can see here, you can share your boost, your link on social media, and then this is your referral link. Copy this, copy the referral, and then you can share it online. As you can see here, I want to show you on how to do this by itself. Now this is how you can share it, and let me show you on where you can share the links and then get commissions. Now let me show you on how to share these links on social media as first of our strategy. Now I want you to go to a page called Quora. Quora is a platform. Even if you don't have any account, I want you to create an account free. You can sign up here and create your email. You can put up your email address, your name, your email address, and then create your password and then sign up. Whenever you sign up, you come up to a dashboard here whereby you can see it's a platform where people answer questions and share their ideas on different types of things in the world. So I want to show you a strategy that's going to help you so that you can have more people on yourself. Now I want you to click there on the search button, new technology. Whenever you click on the new technology, there are thousands and thousands of questions and answers and forums where people share their ideas on technology. Now I want you to check around and see on different technologies, maybe earphones and everything. Now what happens is you can click there and answer and also paste your link here. So as you using your creative, using your time, you can create this and also create a question and share your link for people to buy. So right now I want to share with you the next bonus tip on how to share your link so that people can share most of the things or use it to get more commissions. Here, as you come here on the dashboard again, as you can see here, the link down there is what we call download media. As you can see here, whenever you click on that, it will take you to another dashboard where you'll get more media. As you can see, pictures and images of your product where you can share on Quora. As you can see, there are images where you can crop up and use them to lure more customers and clients. At the same time, there are PDF formats where you can download them and share them on the more forums so that you can get more clients and make more money online. As you can see here, this click here and then you get this. Now the next, now let me share the next strategy I want to share with you is the Facebook strategy, where you share your link on Facebook and on Facebook groups and post so that people can buy. Now I want you to click on the search button where you click on technology. Now whenever you click on technology, you'll see more pages and groups of people, groups where people who love technology, and whenever you share there, you can create a post or click on the join those groups and make sure you follow their rules and regulations, and also make sure you click on them and share your links there. You can click the share button, or you can just make a post on them, or just comment on them with your links. As you can see here, someone just posted something here. It's a most insane electric cars. As you can see here, there are several different download media. As you can see here, you can create these videos. There are videos here which are already created for you, whereby you just click on them, download and share on Facebook. Already made media, so you don't have to create yourself the banners or anything. And as you can see, when you go there and post them, and when someone buys on them, you get your 10% commission immediately. So there is a lot of work that has been done for you. So he will only check on these categories, like the one with $500 or $200 until to $2,000, and then you'll get more money as people continue to buy, because you are sharing whatever they love. Watch all the videos on this channel to the end. Implement my strategy step by step. You can earn $20, $30, $50 to $300 every day. With bonus tips, work from home apps, sites and tricks free. Don't miss anyone. So subscribe now.